This 2022 Forest River FR3 34DS is a Class A RV. It is located in Duncansville, Pennsylvania, 16635 and is offered for sale by Ansley RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 35 feet 11 inches in length and features a SEASPORT STORM interior, sleeps 5, air conditioning, refrigerator, external shower, skylight, LP detector, DVD player, leveling jacks, smoke detector, slide-out, microwave, and 52 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bath and a half. This 2022 Forest River FR3 34DS is built on a Ford F53 chassis and is powered by a Triton engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.